Today I am reviewing the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to keep your pool sparkling clean without lifting a finger, the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is an absolute game changer. This is the 2025 upgrade, and it brings some serious innovations to pool cleaning that make your life easier while delivering professional-level results. First off, let's talk about effortless retrieval. The AquaSense 2 comes with auto surface parking, meaning once the cleaning cycle is finished or the battery is running low, it automatically rises to the surface. No more struggling to lift a heavy pool vacuum out of the water. Plus, the SmartDrain system releases water automatically, so handling it is a breeze. You can even use the app to call your pool robot back to the surface with just one click, giving you total control from anywhere. When it comes to cleaning performance, the AquaSense 2 really stands out. Unlike standard robotic cleaners, this one features double-pass waterline scrubbing. That means it scrubs your waterline twice per pass, ensuring a deeper, more thorough clean. Grime and buildup along your pool edges and walls don't stand a chance. Combined with the advanced CleverNav navigation system, powered by a 4-core CPU and 16 sensors, including ultrasonic ones, the AquaSense 2 intelligently adapts to the shape of your pool. It uses an S-path for floors and an N-path for walls and water lines, making sure every inch is covered without missing spots. Battery life is another area where this vacuum shines. With a 10,000 mAh battery, it delivers up to 4 hours of uninterrupted floor cleaning and around 3.5 hours for walls and water lines, covering pools up to 3,230 square feet. That's more than enough for most residential pools, giving you peace of mind that your pool is getting a complete clean in a single charge. Safety and convenience are built in as well. The wireless charging and storage dock allows you to charge the vacuum without worrying about messy cords or exposed electrical ports. It fully recharges in just 4 hours, and the ergonomic design keeps everything tidy and safe. You also get advanced guide wheels for precise corner and edge cleaning, ensuring thorough coverage even along tricky areas where dirt tends to hide. Durability is a big deal for any pool appliance, and Beatbot has thought of that. The AquaSense 2 is protected with an automotive-grade IMR coating, which resists sun damage, insulates heat, and safeguards internal components. This coating helps the vacuum last for years while keeping your pool safe and the environment in mind. Finally, Beatbot backs this vacuum with a 3-year comprehensive protection plan, including a full machine replacement if anything goes wrong. That is a serious level of confidence you won't find with most pool cleaners. And in the box, you get everything you need to get started immediately. The AquaSense 2 Robotic Pool Cleaner, charging dock, filter basket, hook, quick start guide, and user manual. In short, the Beatbot AquaSense 2 is perfect for anyone who wants a hands-free, powerful, and intelligent pool cleaning solution. It covers your floor, walls, and waterline, adapts to your pool's shape, scrubs twice as thoroughly as standard models, and comes with industry-leading durability and warranty. If you want your pool to look spotless with minimal effort, this is hands down one of the best cordless robotic pool vacuums you can buy in 2025.